Are you looking to open RAR files on your Mac? Then you've come to the right place. RAR files are very common, especially on Windows. RAR is another archive file format, much like zip, which you might be more familiar with. Unfortunately, Macs do not natively support RAR files, which means you're going to need to download a third-party application in order to open them. The application we're going to use for this is called the Unarchiver, which is a free utility available in the App Store. So let's start by opening the App Store by clicking on the Apple symbol in the top left of your screen and then click on App Store. Once the App Store shows up, in the top left of the App Store window, type Unarchiver in the search field and press Enter. The first result should be the app we are looking for. Click on the Get button to install the application. In my case, my Get button is a cloud with an arrow in it, and that's because I have downloaded this application before. You might be asked to log in with your Apple account if you haven't already done so. The app will download and install automatically, so once the button says Open, you'll know that it has finished installing. There's no need to open this application. Instead, now all you have to do is find the RAR file that you are trying to open and just double-click on it. Much like when you open a zip file, the files and folders inside the RAR file will be extracted and placed in the same folder as the RAR file itself. And that's all there's to it. Opening RAR files in the future should now be as easy as double-clicking on the file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices.